Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the third question in exercise 4.5. Using Kramer's rule, solve system of linear equation 3x plus ay is equal to 4, 2x plus ay is equal to 2 where a not equal to 0. So let's first compute determinant d. So in this case, it's the coefficients. So 3a, 2 and a. So this value is going to be 3a minus 2a, which is simply equal to a. Now let's compute d1. d1 is going to be 4 to a. So if you compute this value, it is 4a minus 2a, which is equal to 2a. Now d2 is going to be 3 2. In this case, it is going to be equal to 4 and 2. So if you compute, it is 6 minus 8, which is equal to minus 2. Now let's find out the value of x. So x is equal to d1 divided by d, which is 2a divided by a, which is 2. Now y is going to be equal to d2 divided by d, which is equal to minus 2 divided by a. So the value of y is minus 2 by a. In the next video, we will find the solution for the fourth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.